Hi, I am Sadish and I am from India. I am applying for the FMB service training program with your company. I would like to tell a little bit about myself. I had done a BSc degree course of Hotel and Catering Management in Periyar University at Salem. In my colleges, I successfully done a industrial training program in Mass Chancellor Resort at Kerala and GRD Grandes at Chennai for the period of 8 months. After finishing my degree course, I was joined in Hotel Raintree at Chennai for the posting of waiter. In quality and savory, I worked as a senior waiter for the period of 18 months. And also I worked in Hotel Bhushar at Coimbatore for the posting of restaurant captain on the period of 12 months. I am interested to applying for this training program because United States of America is developed country in this world, and also I learn latest technology in hospitality industry. If you give this golden opportunity with your company, I am promising you that I deliver my 100% hard work with sincerity. I truly appreciating this opportunity intro myself and applying for the industrial training program with your company. Thank you for your valuable time to spend with me. Thanks a lot.